I love me some morphine, but when you don't have on a brow, you feel like I'm getting judged, and that's just a personal feeling. Not saying that that's what the case is. And morphine, we're not hating on you. That's not what it is. It's just the fact that you got to pull up and be right, like be correct when you go in there, because you got lashes. Listen, them girls be snatched all the way. What's up, y'all? I'm back in another vlog. It's been a couple of weeks since we have done a vlog, but today it's going to be a productive day. I have some things I have to do today. I'm going to be taking some pictures on my own for the gram, and I have a few errands to run. My buns, oh no. Oh, there we go. I think we're good. Yeah. So I have a few errands to run. Gonna show you guys how to take pictures by yourself when you don't have someone to go with you. And just tag along. You all know how it goes with these vlogs. It is a Saturday. So, first, coffee time. Okay, so I'm at my first location. It is mad windy out here. Oh, when I say windy, so I'm gonna ready to take some pictures. I'm gonna take it like right in this garage part right here, that part, and let's see what it's gonna give right fast. Okay, so I'm at another location. I'm actually going to do some stuff right in here. Of just because of the color, and I have on just a jumper. Ooh. I feel like I did a good job. Hope these pictures come out good. I'll put them in the video so you can see them and see how they came out. Tink helped me with zipping. That's what she did. She helped me zip and took a nap. So y'all, this is the end of the day. I just finished doing this look with the Elf and Chipotle collaboration. That video will be up soon, and got a little special guest in there. This is the end of Saturday. Got so much work done, which I'm excited about, and I will see you tomorrow. Good morning, y'all. It's Bummy Sunday. And we have her back. Honestly, I'm not even gonna say Bummy Sunday. It is just, it's for me. See, it's relax your face day. It's for me. Because my face has gotten beat up all this week from all this makeup, so I'm relaxing the face. This is why I don't have on a brow, and I only have glasses on. So I know I usually can put on a brow and leave. I was like, I'm not even gonna do my brows. And it's daylight savings. You lost an hour, and I feel that when I woke up. Doesn't matter if the sun is shining. At this point, I've lost a whole hour, and I'm feeling that joker. Anytime she's in this car, she's rude. She wants to
I did. That was an accident. I just unlocked my phone, and I didn't know it was still in a selection.
She's rude. Should we put brows on today when we go to Sephora? Because I feel like people judge you when you go into Sephora with no brows. I have no brows. You have none. Do you feel that way? I feel like I feel like there's a judgment when there is no brow on. When you go into any beauty.
No. There is judgment when you don't have a brow on when you go into Morphe. That's one place you don't go into.
Listen, no shade to Morphe because I love me some Morphe. But when you don't have on a brow, you feel like I'm getting judged. And that's just a personal feeling. Not saying that that's what the case is. And Morphe, we're not hating on you. That's not what it is. It's just the fact that you got to pull up and be right, like be correct when you go in there. Because you got, listen, them girls be snatched all the way. You got to have yourself together. Alright, so we're looking for some perfumes in Sephora. So we are in Ollie's. Was not expecting to be here. But because our Sephora does not have the fragrances that we are looking for, we are now in Ollie's. So we're looking around for some books, and it's a new Ollie's. So we're just looking right now. Cool. You guys, I'm sorry, I'm just dropping you guys into this conversation, but we went over to rental car spot, okay? And asked the question because I wanted to know the new terms, right? And I'm right up the street from the rental car place, okay? What happens when we get there? The young lady that was outside checking the cars, she looked like she had an attitude. I was creeping on her. But that had nothing to do with anything.
Into a parking lot.
I pulled in, saw somebody. I said, let me ask this question while I'm on my way to do my errands.
That's not creeping.
And she just gave all the, what she do?
As soon as you said, excuse me, she goes, oh. Yes, good morning.
Like she had a problem, okay? And my thing is, ma'am, you work here. I know you guys are not open.
You have on a name tag.
Right, you have on a name tag, madam. You work here. I know that, you know, I could get a quick question answered or whatever, you know. And so, of course, I actually tapped on the fact that I understand that you're having a bad morning. Oh, no, I'm not having a bad... No, shawty,
no,
you're having a bad morning because of the way you act. And see, when I talk to people in a business setting, I don't have the same kind of conversations and vocal structure that I have on my regular videos. You gotta sometimes, you know, zip up your bootstraps and have a little professionalism about yourself so you can get some answers. You know what I'm saying? But shorty, she just came through with the attitude, and to me, what she don't understand is that a lot of times when you do that, you never know who you're talking to. You gotta know how to talk to people and be good on your customer service, because you could be talking to somebody that can ruin your job. That's the thing.